How to restore deleted posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can very easily recover your deleted posts which you might have deleted on Instagram. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you have to make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to go over and then simply open the Instagram app on my phone. And first of all, let me just go ahead and show you by deleting a certain post. For example, you can see I currently have one post on my profile. So I will just go ahead and try to delete this post for you, and I will show you how you can recover that particularly deleted post. So let me just show you. First of all, if I go ahead and simply tap on this post which you see, and then if I tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner, and then if I tap on the button which says delete at the bottom, I will simply go ahead and delete it right over here. So as you can see, I have actually successfully deleted that particular Instagram post. So what I will do is, in order to recover it, there are a few things you can do. On the top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines, and all you have to do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines icon. As soon as you tap on the three horizontal lines, at the bottom you have to go ahead and tap on your activity. So go ahead and simply select the option which says your activity. As soon as you tap on your activity, you can see it says one place to manage all your activity. Over here we want to scroll down and find the section which says recently deleted. So right at the bottom you can see this trash icon which says recently deleted. All you have to do is simply tap on this recently deleted, and you can see that very photo which you just deleted. If you want to restore it, tap on it once, tap on the three dots on the top right. At the bottom you can choose to permanently delete it, or simply choose to restore, and then tap on the restore button which you see, and you can come back and check on your profile page. You will be able to see that you have restored your post. So let me go ahead and you will also not lose the likes and comments which you may have received on that particular post. This is the way on how you could very easily recover deleted posts on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubt, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.